replace hearing loss. Industrial hearing services have helped many individuals with industrial deafness to receive thousands of dollars in compensation. Retired, still working, it may not matter. The government recognises that hearing issues have not always been fully understood and have made provision